everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze Scandinavian defense or center counter defense part 2 video 1 to 6 chapter. I am going to explain one by one. We can go now chapter 1 video in Scandinavian defense. We can go now chapter 1 video. I am going to explain why black resign in 8 moves only. Let's start with e4. This called king's pawn opening, d5, Scandinavian defense. Another move of white, e cross d5, cut the pawn, white pawn. Next move of black, queen cut the white pawn. Another move of white, knight c3. Now the knight attack the queen right now. After that, queen go to d8. Go back to his place. Okay, next move of white, d4. Then knight go to c6. Now attack the d4 squares white pawn, black knight. Okay, we will see why black resign this game. Next move, knight f3. Defend the pawn. Another move of black, bishop go to g4. Now pin the knight, black bishop. So that's why white going to move d5. Okay, attack the knight right now. So another move, knight go to e5. Okay, now knight go to e5. If 7 move of white, knight goes e5. Okay, if cut the bishop to d1 squares queen, the black resign, because you can see right now another white move, white bishop go to b5 and we will check. If black the check with the pawn, then cut. Okay, you can see right now, if move like this the queen, now we will check with bishop. If moving like this, now the queen get the queen white. Now check. Now black the check with queen. So another move of white check with knight. Okay, now king go to here. Okay, if go to here, king go to this move. Okay, now wrap the queen with white queen cut the black queen, and the king cut the queen, then knight cut the rook. Okay, totally this game white going to win, because white has so many advantage and so many pieces. That's why black resigned this game. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 2. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's it. Hello everyone, this is chapter 2. Why black resign in 9 moves. Okay, we can go now chapter 2. Let's start with e4. King's pawn came, d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, queen cross d5. Okay, then knight go to c3, now threatening the queen e5, and we will check. Now black the check, white bishop. Then black bishop go to f5, attack the c2 squares pawn. Okay, next move of white, knight f3, attack the queen right now. Queen go to c5. Okay, then d4, again attack white pawn. Then queen go to b6, go back, and beautiful castling make white. So now knight go to c6, black knight go to c6 and attack the pawn. Then knight d5. Now attack the queen, b6 queen, squares queen, black queen, attacked by white knight. So that's why queen go to b5. This is big blunder. That's why you can see right now the queen is wrapped right now. Knight goes c7 and we will check. If move like this, then wrap the queen. Okay, That's why black resign this game chapter 2. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go now chapter 3. Hello everyone, this is chapter 7. Sorry, this is chapter 3. Why black resign in 7 moves only? Okay, we will discuss this game deeply. Okay, let's start with e4. King's pawn came, then b5, attack the pawn, then e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight c3. Now attack the queen and queen go to e5 and we will check, then bishop e2, block the check and bishop g4. Okay, another move, f3. Now bishop go to h5, knight to b5. Okay, you can see right now why black resign. e6, then d4. Now you can see right now if queen need to move, because if didn't move queen, the queen is gone. Okay, that's why this queen go to 5, 6 space, 6, 7, 8 space. If come here, you can see right now the bishop cut the queen. Okay, that's why the queen go to here. Here is a check and queen wrap the queen. Go back now. If queen go to, queen is check here long before. Okay, now d4 pawn, white move. If go like this, the knight cut the pawn and check. So that's why the king moving here, then wrap the rook. That's why black resign this game chapter 3. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4. Why black resign in 9 moves? Okay, I am going to discuss this video. Okay, we will going to analyze. Okay, first move, let's start with e4. Next move, d5, attack the pawn. Then e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight c3, attack the queen. Then queen e6 and we will check. Go back to e6. Then bishop go to e2, block the check. Then knight f6. Another move of fight, knight b5. Okay, knight d5, block the check with white knight. Okay, next move, c4. Now threatening the knight. Then queen go to g6. Okay, c cross d5. Knight is gone. Next, queen cross g2. What? The queen cannot cut the rook because the bishop go to f3. So that's why black resign. Queen go to g6. Then knight goes c7 and we will check. Then king go to here. Another cut. The rook. Trap the rook. That's why black resign this game. This is chapter 4. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go now chapter 5. Hello everyone, this is chapter 5. Why white resign in 9 moves? Okay, let's start with e4, king's pawn opening, d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight f3, knight go to g4, then bishop e2, then knight c6, another knight, white knight go to c3, attack the queen right now, then queen go to a5, then d4, e5. Okay, we can see right now why white resign in 9 moves. Okay, next move, knight cross e5. Okay, then bishop cross e2. Okay, you can see now go to knight here, knight cross e5 and bishop cross e2, cut the bishop. Then knight cross c6, attack the queen right now. This is the mistake move. That's why queen cut the knight. Now b cross c3, queen is gone. Then bishop cross d1. Then so many attack here. If cut the bishop by white king, then the pawn cut the knight. So totally this game, so many pieces have, black have so many pieces. That's why white resign this game. Okay, we can go now chapter 6, last chapter. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 6. Why white resign in 8 moves? Okay, let's start with e4, d5, e cross d5, e6. Now d cross e6. Then bishop cross e6. This is a brilliant move of white, black. Then d4, knight f6. Okay. Then knight go to c3. Another move, bishop go to d6. Okay. Next move, d5. This is big blunder. That's why you can see right now knight cross d5. Okay. You can see right now. If knight cross d5, then bishop cross d5. Another move, queen cross d5. This is the big blunder. That's why this came by design. You can see right now bishop b4 and it will check. Now discovered check. So that's why queen is gone. If black the check with queen, then wrap the queen. This is chapter 6, last chapter. White resign right now. Okay. Hello everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.